Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will solve 2 base log x square plus 16 base log x equal to 18. Here we need to find out the value of x. This is a very important problem and very interesting one. Let's solve. Here 2 base log x square can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 base log x. Here we are using log power rule on the first term. So after using this one, we can say the equation will become 2 multiplied by 2 base log x plus 16 base log x equal to 18. Now we will convert 16 base log x to base 2. So how can we convert it? Here I am converting this one 16 base log x. If I want to convert this one to base 2, we can write this term in that way. That will be 2 base log x by 2 base log 16. Here 2 base log x, that is our numerator, 2 base log x, and instead of 2 base log 16 we can write 4. Why? Because 2 base log 16 equal to 2 base log 2 to the power 4. So by using log power rule we can say 4 multiplied by 2 base log 2. So answer will be 4. Now if I want to input this one here, then what will we get? We'll get 2 multiplied by 2 base log x plus, instead of 16 base log x, we can write 2 base log x by 4 equal to 18. Now let 2 base log x equal to y, then what will we get? We'll get 2y plus y by 4 equal to 18. Now solve. If 4 is our LCM, then we can write it will be 4 to the 8y plus y equal to 18. So 8y plus y will be 9y. And here we need to do the cross multiplication. So 4 into 18. So now cancel 9 on both sides. We will get y should be 18 by 9 will be 2, 4 to the 8. Now instead of y, if we substitute 2 base log x, then what will we get? We will get x will be 2 to the power 8. And 2 to the power 8 will be 256. So x will be 256, and that is the solution of this problem. I hope you understand this one properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.